why to do M.Sc Professional Accountancy after CFA, ACCA or whatever course out there you have completed, and what exactly will it open to you, what are the eligibility requirements, what are the application standards, or how long the course will go on. Let's figure this out. Let's cover this in detail in this reel. Please watch it till the end. The thing about the professional accountancy qualification is that it's a simple MSc that University of London has introduced, and you need a bachelor's that is like eligible enough to be able to get the eligibility criteria met for MSc Professional Accountancy in the University of London. So it can be bachelor's from the UK, bachelor's from India, or whatever. You can follow that route. Or if you have completed your professional exams, they won't go in vain. You have to complete all the professional exams respectively of whatever bodies have been mentioned here, and then you can go ahead and complete your MSc in professional accountancy or get enrolled for the program. Speaking of the number of course modules, there are 3 of them. So 2 of them are specifically electives which you can choose from this list, and this is like something that you can choose based on the long-term goals and so on. And the coursework, and there are no specific assessments like examinations or something, but only coursework and some assignments or something that will be the way of testing your knowledge and all of that in these 2 modules, and that's how you can clear them. And these are 15 each respectively. When it comes to the capstone project, it can take 2 successive 10 weeks time. One is for the course part, coursework, whatever assignments and all they'll take to assess you, and the other is a project, actual thesis project or whatever you will be writing related to your topic of interest or based on whatever you studied in the elective modules and all that. So what you can do to minimize your time frame? So what you can do is make sure that you take your course 1, the elective module 1, along with your project, the first part of your project, which is the coursework. So meanwhile you are doing 2 things at a time, and at the same time making sure that you take lesser time. So it can take 2.5 to 3 months. And afterwards, when the second module starts, the second elective module, which is going to start subsequently after the first elective module and the first part of the project, you can do the second part of the project alongside. This way you are making sure that you're not only completing the 2 elective modules, but at the same time also completing both the parts of the project and finishing it within 6 months of the time from the registration period. Speaking of the main part, which is the fees, so it is depending on the banned country in which you belong from or where you're registering from. So basically which you belong from. So let's say you're registering from India or from some other country which is in the band A, which is basically considered as low income countries, developing countries and all of that. So for them the fees is lower compared to those who are band B countries, and web based is usually higher than the tuition based, because local center based, because web based is where you are directly taking it from University of London. If you found this useful, please do like and share and follow for more. Okay, bye.